unboxing and taking you through this called the electronic cash register, the CRBX model. I can see by the side the seller has indicated the specs for this one, and also the interface, the USB RSS 232. It's a good ETR machine for all those accountants out there. Let's begin. Let's unbox this baby. You see what's inside here. So we just unwrap that, kapong. We unwrap that. Okay, let's see what we got inside here. So ladies and gentlemen, for all accountants out there, this is a new ETR machine, just gotten it out there. This model, I can see, as you can see, it's well packed. You can just do with that. So I just take out the new machine itself. You can see this model. This is the A-class model. I can bring it close to the camera so that you see. Of course, made in China. This ETR machine, when it's bought from the seller, it's usually registered for KRA. Make sure of that. Those are just some of the basic things you should look at. On the back, you can see it has the on and off button. It has the charging system. You can see from there. It has that USB. I think this USB is when you want to format the gadget. And then we have two ports, which I'm not really interested in what they do. So I'll be interested more in taking you through this ETR machine, the A-class. This machine here retails at around 30,000 to 25,000, between that range, you understand. So that's it. It also comes with this USB cable. I think the importance of this USB cable is I think for reformatting, when you want to change the channel in terms of percentages. It comes with that USB cable. You can see when you want to reformat the ETR machine. I think this cable will be of great use. It also comes with other accessories. You can see it comes with a very good charger. It's a great charger. Which one is this model? This is P36 138 to 50 model. It's a very good charger, very powerful.